Okay, today we'll be opening up this used Bosch premium oil filter, number 3334. And a very generous viewer, whose name is Scott Russell from Lawrenceburg, Kentucky, sent me this oil filter. Thanks, Scott. This filter was in service for 4,500 miles and came off of Scott's 2013 1500 Ram pickup truck. Yep, the one with the 5.7 liter Hemi engine. His truck currently has 112,000 miles, and Scott was using Valvoline 520 full synthetic oil during this period. Let's open up this oil filter and see how it held up. So let's get started.
This is a for you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration right here.
Okay, so before we cut this filter open, let's take a quick look at it. We got a date code here, F08L21G1. This is a sticker, and right here it says Made in USA. This filter has 7 elongated inlet holes. Looks to be a silicone drain back valve, metal core louvers, bypass valve down below, and about 3 grooves there for threads. And nitro rubber gasket. It's pretty thick. Sticks out pretty good too, see right there. You know, even though it was already on the vehicle. Yeah, looks good. Let's take this off for now though. And let's take a look at this filter. Let's look at the anti-drain back valve here. Silicone. It all looks nice. It's gotta just clean it up. Base plate. Yeah, that all fits on there nice. The filter element. I can see some excess glue here. Bypass valve. And seam right here. It's got a glued seam. I'll put the pleats, number of pleats on the screen. And this is a cellulose filter media with a micron rating of 99% at 20 microns. Yeah, it all looks good. I don't see nothing out of the ordinary here. No tears or anything. Pleats are nicely spaced. Just a little excess glue right here, that's all. Okay, and what we got here? Oh, stamp leaf spring. Oh, that's got a big curve to it, huh? Yeah, that all looks good. We got in here little spots. What are those? That looks like something that was probably before you even used the filter. Probably had those spots. I'll have to clean it off and see if they're smooth or what, but I don't see no sludging or anything. Maybe a little soot there, but yeah. All right, let's get some measurements. Okay, for the can, 0.40 millimeters thick. And the width of the filter. Let's just call that 2 inches even. Call that 2 inches even. Okay, let's cut this filter open, squeeze it out, stretch it out, see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, so here's the filter media all stretched out. And this Bosch filter is 49 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.76 millimeters thick. We'll get it up close. This is the filtering side, back side. And let's take a look at this under a microscope. So as you can see little particles of carbon and soot in there. But the filter itself is pretty clean. Let's take a closer look. You can see there's not much carbon or soot on here. A little bit in the, in the seams. Not that bad. Really no sparklies either. Yeah, it's a pretty clean filter. I'd say Scott's engine is running pretty clean. Okay, let's look at the rest of the filter. So you got a nice thick gasket. I'll put the measurement on the screen. You got a stamp leaf spring, that looks fine. Silicone and drain back valve, this is all nice. It's like brand new. That's all good. Bypass valve right there, that's fine. And let's see if you can see the holes through here. See the louvers, I mean. Yeah, you can see the light through the louvers, I think. I forgot my flashlight, but yeah, that all looks fine. Now the can, I was checking this out, I cleaned it out. This looks like it's a little rough, feels a little rough, like it's almost like a rusted water stain or something. It's the only thing I could think of. I don't know. I guess it wouldn't hurt anything though, because if it was there, the oil didn't seem to dissolve it, whatever it was. What do you guys think about this filter? And again, I want to thank Scott for sending me this used Bosch filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. Not much carbon on this filter.